I'll be reviewing the Renee Browfill Pen. If you're someone who struggles with filling in sparse brows or wants that natural, hair-like finish, then this video is definitely for you. It's sleek, compact, and super travel-friendly. So first things first, this is what the packaging looks like. It's sleek, compact, and super travel-friendly. The pen itself has a fine tip, which is designed to mimic real brow hairs. I picked this up in the shade brown, and it seems like a pretty good match for my brows. Wow, the tip is really precise. You can actually create tiny strokes that look like real hair. Overall, I think the Renee Browfill Pen is a great option if you're going for natural-looking brows. It's especially good for everyday use and beginners who don't want anything too heavy. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product or if you want me to review something else. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!